Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where innovative architecture meets sustainable living. Today, we're thrilled to present an extraordinary project, the Shipping Container Home, the Cocoa Research Station for a chocolate manufacturing company in Costa Rica. Nestled in the heart of Costa Rica's verdant landscape, this unique shipping container home serves as a hub for cocoa research and innovation, blending functionality with the beauty of its natural surroundings. Crafted from repurposed shipping containers, this structure exemplifies sustainable design, providing a modern and eco-friendly solution for the chocolate manufacturing industry. Equipped with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and natural ventilation, this facility is designed to operate sustainably, minimizing its environmental footprint while maximizing efficiency. Outside, the lush cocoa fields and inviting outdoor meeting spaces create an ideal environment for researchers to connect with nature and draw inspiration from their surroundings. This beautiful cocoa research station in Costa Rica is made out of 4 40-foot shipping containers, which were mechanically foamed and upgraded in Germany and insulated according to NEV standards. 2 containers form the basis, 2 further containers are placed crosswise to each other. The upper 2 containers contain sleeping and living units for up to 8 people. Large glass elements are inserted at the ends of the containers with a view over the rainforest and the cocoa plants. The entire upper floor is surrounded by a terrace made of regional wood. On the ground floor, half of a shipping container is equipped as a bathroom and changing area for the workers on site. The other half contains the fully equipped laboratory where Rausch can conduct research. The second container on the ground floor becomes the lounge with a kitchen area and large dining table and a couch area, a meeting place for everyone. Nestled in the heart of the jungle, the cocoa estate is part of a larger biotope network. Rausch GmbH in Costa Rica adopts an ecological approach, making the use of recycled shipping containers a natural choice for construction. With the containers prefabricated in Germany, the construction process on site emits minimal noise, dust, or logistical disruptions. This careful approach minimizes impact on the region's pristine nature, allowing the structure to be removed without leaving any trace behind. Moreover, the estate operates in complete self-sufficiency. This means there's no need for external infrastructure connections, power is supplied by a solar system, and waste management is handled by a septic tank. Looking ahead, a water treatment plant is set to be installed, enabling research to be conducted independently right in the midst of the rainforest. Join us as we continue to explore innovative and sustainable living solutions that push the boundaries of modern design. Alvinsa Studio, where creativity and sustainability unite to create remarkable spaces. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the shipping container home at the Cocoa Research Station for a chocolate manufacturing company in Costa Rica, presented by Alvinsa Studio. This remarkable project showcases how sustainable design and innovative architecture can support cutting-edge research while blending seamlessly with the natural environment. At Alvinsa Studio, we are dedicated to creating spaces that inspire innovation, foster sustainability, and enhance the beauty of their surroundings. Stay tuned for more exciting tours and insights into groundbreaking architectural projects that redefine modern living and working environments. Until next time, may your spaces be filled with innovation, sustainability, and a deep connection to nature. Alvinsa Studio, where creativity meets functionality.